Blockwallet DApp app. The pros, the cons. If you think all crypto wallets are the same, think again. The Blockwallet DApp app is not just a digital wallet, it's a privacy-first browser extension built to give users control over their own footprint. But does it really deliver on its promise of full anonymity? Let's explore the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, Blockwallet's biggest selling point is privacy protection. Unlike most wallets that reveal your wallet activity to every DApp you visit, Blockwallet hides sensitive data, shielding your IP address and transaction details. It uses advanced encryption and proxy servers to keep you anonymous on the blockchain. The interface feels familiar to MetaMask users, making it easy to switch or import wallets. It supports major blockchains like Ethereum, Polygon, and Binance Smart Chain, which means you can use your favorite dApps without losing privacy. Another pro is non-custodial security. You maintain full control over your private keys, and the app never stores or shares your data. This aligns with the decentralized philosophy of your wallet, your rules. Blockwallet also includes anti-tracking and anti-phishing protections, so malicious sites can't spy on your activity or inject harmful scripts into your browser. Now, the cons. Since Blockwallet routes data through its private network, some users experience slower transaction processing or occasional connection drops, a small trade-off for the added privacy. Another limitation is that it's still browser-based, which means it's not ideal for mobile users or hardware wallet integration yet. Lastly, while privacy is a core value, some decentralized apps may restrict or flag transactions from anonymous sources, which can occasionally cause friction during sign-ins or swaps. In conclusion, the Blockwallet DApp app stands out as a wallet for people who value security and privacy above all. The surprising truth? In a world where most tools expose your every move, Blockwallet gives you something rare: true control over your digital identity.